Well, according to the tide tables, we should be floating. At least the propeller's underwater now.
I don't know. I thought
So we're just waiting. We'll know because at the moment we've got a 5-degree lean to starboard because we're still on the deck. So next door's floating merrily. So it's just a case of waiting. I won't bore you with too many details. We had tremendous problems with the outboard and we were dying to get out, but the time constraints meant we had to rush somewhat. The engine had been laid incorrectly on its side, the wrong side, so oil from the sump had drained into the cylinder and it was hydraulic. Ended up taking the cover off, taking the plug out, give it a couple of pulls, clear the oil, clean it all up, put it back together, a few more pulls and it started, and we were eventually able to get out. I'll keep the audio on the track actually low because there's so much swearing going off at the cursed engine.
It's very warm though, isn't it? So what are you going to be doing, love? Oh, Christ.
Spare spark plug.
I think we've got to get some more of that, don't you? Just for more spares, I suppose.
Oil. Yeah, it's empty.
Got the nose out of the boat over there, so it's a bit noisy. A minute. 5 minutes.
Now we should be able to start it. After much struggling, we finally got the engine started. You can see all the mess everywhere. Loads of muck came out of the lockers and from out the well.
But we're floating, as you can see. We need to get out now, don't we? Nice sound. I think we better have a cup.
Ticking over. Just going to end, turn around, come back. Try again with moorings.
Rob's just untying so we can get going at long last. Alright, so the tide will be back out again by the time we get going. We're off. We're off.
What?
We're off, I said.
Oh, right.
Just turning now. great view. Fabulous. Fantastic. Bye! Look, they're all waving to us. We're off. Good old Rob's getting us out. Mooring up. They've just been out in the boat and got a lovely fella at the other end helping us, just putting it, tying it up. So we've had a nice trip right round this area where we've moored. Yeah, that's lovely. Thank you very much for help.
This is where they either crush my toes or get it out of the hole.
God, watch your feet. Alright.
Well, I got it out. It took around me.
Right, I'm going round him. He's got to put it in there. He'll have no strength left by time to get off this boat rate he's going. That's alright then. He's got a bit of it in. Be careful.
Yeah, I've got to make room for the scout.
Yeah, right, it's getting in now. Got the engine. Oh, you'll have to get some of that fat off your belly, then you might be able to fit through.
This was talking, triple belly.
You're only joking. Right. There we are, love. They're doing well.
Oof.
Sit down, get your breath.
I've got to sit down.
He's out of breath, so I'll have to sit down for 5 minutes before we set off. We're off in a minute. At least we've got the engine in. Oh, that's easy, isn't it? Yeah, shoving it underneath there.
That's it.
That's how you're supposed to have it, yeah? That's good then.